Hello, I'm Vikki Kreider, and I won the Mother's Day giveaway on the new car, which I'm eternally grateful for. Now I don't have to drive my beastie, and I have heat and all kinds of things that I didn't have before. I can't believe it, you know, it's unreal. This is my heater. I plug it into my cigarette lighter and I stick it on my dash for a defrost in the winter. And then after the windshield's defrosted, I set it in my lap so it could blow up and keep me warm because I freeze so easy. But this is the heater. And then I have to put water in it. So I have a lot of jugs of water in my truck because I never know when it's going to overheat or run out of water. So I make sure I tote a lot of that with me too. I have a new grandson. His name's Logan. And I've not got to see him, and he's like 6, 7 months old now. And I finally get to go see him. I took days off at work so I can go down now and see him and hold him and kiss him for the first time. I can't wait. And then I have 2 granddaughters down there also. So it'll be fun. I did replace the lights. I've not done nothing with the bumper or the grills. I've tried to fix my rear lights because I have no backup lights, but that would take replacing all the wires, so I've not done that yet. And I have a seat that don't stay put, so it's kind of comical when I have a friend in the truck with me. They're always sliding back and forth. I know that's not quite right, but it's the only vehicle I had, so, you know, you got to use it, especially if you want to work and pay your bills. Well, that's enough about little Beastie. She's going to be retired, and I'm going to get in my new car with the heater and radio and seats that move with no pillows. And I'll be in heaven and eternally grateful to RNR. They're awesome people. They really are. Thank you.